Next question. If in is equals to integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin nx over sin x dx, then find in. Then find in. This is the question. So here, solution in is equals to integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin nx over sin x dx. Here we should get rid of this sin x in denominator. That happens if we choose in minus 2. In minus 2. We will not get rid of the sin x if we choose in minus 1 instead of in minus 2. So we should get rid of this sin x in denominator. To get rid of this sin x from denominator, we should consider this in minus 2. So if you consider instead of in minus 2 in minus 1, we will not get rid of the sin x. Why, we will see while solving the problem. Now consider in minus 2 is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin, replace n with n minus 2, n minus 2x over sin x dx. Now what you do is you take this in minus 2, which is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin nx over sin x minus sin n minus 2x over sin x dx, which is equals to integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin nx minus sin n minus 2x over sin x dx. Now here in numerator use sin c minus sin d. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin c minus sin d 2 cos c plus d by 2, that is nx plus n minus 2x over 2 into sin c minus d by 2 over sin x dx, which is equals to integration of 0 to pi by 2 2 cos nx plus nx minus 2x by 2 into sin nx cancel, 2x by 2, that is x over sin x dx. Sin x cancel. Here sin x and sin x is cancelling. If it, because we have taken in minus 2, instead of in minus 2, if we take in minus 1, the sin x will not get cancelled. So in minus 2 is equal to, this is 2 cos 2nx minus 2, 2 common cancel, therefore x minus 2 is, sorry, n minus 2. Sorry, n minus 2 cancel, sorry, n minus 1 into x dx. So which is equals to in minus 2 is equals to 2 times integration of 0 to pi by 2 into cos n minus 1x dx. Now integration of cos is sin 2 into sin n minus 1x over n minus 1, 0 to pi by 2. That is 2 times. If you substitute pi by 2 upper limit, therefore sine of n minus 1 into pi by 2 over n minus 1 minus sine 0 is 0. So which is equals to therefore in minus in minus 2. Therefore in minus 2 is equals to 2 over n minus 1 into sine n minus 1 into pi by 2. This is our in minus 2. Now here two cases arises. Case 1 is n is even, case 2 is n is odd. So first case 1, if n is even. So if n is even, then what happens means, if n is even, therefore in minus 2 is equals to 2 over n minus 1 into sine n minus 1 into pi by 2. So here we consider the case as n is even. If n is even, this n minus 1 will be odd. So if n minus 1 is odd, then this value of the sine of n minus 1 into pi by 2 is either plus 1 or minus 1. Because if you see the graph of sin x, so sin x graph will be like this. Sine pi by 2 is 1, pi by 2. Next sine 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. So this is 1 plus 1. This is minus 1. Next sine 5 pi by 2 is again plus 1. Therefore sine here pi by 2, 1 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, etc. So for odd multiples of pi by 2, sine of odd multiples of pi by 2 value is either plus 1 or minus 1. So now in minus 2 is equal to this one, 2 by n minus 1 into sine of n minus 1 into pi by 2. Now similarly in minus 2 minus in minus 4 will be equal to 2 over n minus 3 into sine of n minus 5 into pi by 2. Similarly in minus 4 minus in minus 6 is equals to 2 over n minus 5 into sine of, sorry, this is n minus 3, this is n minus 3, this is n minus 5 into pi by 2, etc. Last I2 minus I0. I2 minus I0 is equals to 2 by 1 into sine of 1 into pi by 2. So here sine pi by 2, therefore 1 into pi by 2 means here sine pi by 2, this value is plus 1 by 2. So this value is plus 1, this sine pi by 2 value. The preceding value will be minus 1, means sine of the preceding value, therefore 1. Next the preceding value is equals to the preceding one will be like this, therefore 2 by 3 into sine 3 pi by 2, like this. So this 3 pi by 2 value, therefore 3 pi by 2 is minus 1, like that. Alternate signs from down to up, plus 1, minus 1, etc. Here this sine pi by 2 plus 1, sine 3 pi by 2 is minus 1, sine 5 pi by 2 again here plus 1, etc. Now what you do is, now if you add all the terms, then what you get? So if you add all the terms by telescopic cancellation, so in minus 2 cancel, in minus 4 cancel, I2 cancel with preceding term. Just you left with these two terms in and I0. So this is equals to left hand side in minus I0 is equals to your right hand side. What you do is your alternate plus sign. These values are alternate plus sign and plus 1 minus 1. Here start with here from down to up. If you see plus 1 minus 1 etc. These values are plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 etc. So from all the terms 2 take out common. If you take out 2, you write down 2 common and you write the terms from down to up. Then what happens? 2 times this down. This value is what 2 already we have taken on plus 1. This value is equal to plus 1. Here just you will have 1. Next, the second value will be here 2 outside. See, second one is 2 by 3 into sine 3 pi by 2. Sine 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. 2 outside. Therefore, minus 1 by 3 is inside. Therefore, minus 1 by 3. Next one will be plus 1 by 5, minus 1 by 7, plus 1 by 9, etc. Minus etc. The last one will be this one. That is sine 2 outside is. Therefore, sine n minus 1 pi by 2 over n minus 1. So this is in minus I0. So what is I0? See, in is equals to integration of 0 to pi sine nx by n. I0 will be in place of n. If you substitute 0, then this becomes sine 0 0. Therefore, all value will be 0. Therefore, I0 is equal to 0 only. So this value, this I0 is equal to 0. That implies in is equal to 2 times 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 9 minus etc. plus sine n minus 1 into pi by 2 or n minus 1. So this is the in. This is the answer in case 1. Next, we will see case 2. This is case 1. Case 2 is n is odd. If n is odd, case 2, if n is odd. So if n is odd, then what happens? If n is odd, in minus 2 is equal to 2 over n minus 1 into sine n minus 1 into pi by 2. So if n is odd, then n minus 1 will be even. N minus 1 is even multiple of pi by 2. Sine of even multiple of pi by 2 will be what? So if you see the graph of sine, this is 0. This is pi, 2 pi, etc. So n minus 1 is even. If n minus 1 is even, therefore this is of the form 2k form. If 2k 2 to cancel, therefore k pi, sine of multiples of pi. Sine of multiples of pi, integral multiple of pi values are 0. Therefore this becomes 0. Therefore this value is equal to 0. That implies in minus 2 equal to 0. This implies in is equals to in minus 2. Now what you do is, in this in is equal to in minus 2, replace n by n minus 2. If we replace n by n minus 2, then what happens? In minus 2 is equal to in minus 4, etc. So in minus 2 equal to 0, therefore in minus 4 is also equal to 0. So from here you can write in is equals to in minus 2 is equal to in minus 4 is equals to etc. all are equal to I1. So here n is odd, n minus 2 is odd, n minus 4 is also odd, therefore 1 is also odd. So all are equal here, in minus 2, in minus 4, etc. all are equal to I. But what is I1? I1 is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2. Sorry, I1. What is I1? I1 is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2. In given I1, in, replace n with 1. Therefore, sin x by sin x. Because given integral is in is equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 sin nx by sin x. In place of n, if you substitute 1, then you will get I1. Therefore, I1 is nothing but integration of 0 to pi by 2 dx, which is equal to I1 is equal to pi by 2. So here I1 is equal to pi by 2. Therefore, you can write therefore in is equals to in minus 2 is equals to in minus 4 is equals to etc. is equals to I1. All are equal to what? Pi by 2. So this is the answer in case 2, that is when n is odd. The value of the given in is this one. When n is odd, value is pi by 2. So this is the solution for this question.